Nature called. She's called before. I didn't answer. Today I took a chance. She told me to take a new direction. Uncertain of her advice, I still obeyed. First came the fear, and next came the unveiling of clarity. She asked me how I was feeling today. My answers, though they were short, they were always enough. When I didn't have much to say, she spoke to me gently, yet loud enough to receive her message. She told me that the universe is reflected inside of me. Therefore, I can never truly realize how powerful and vast I was exquisitely designed to be. I tell her I've been feeling small and trapped in inferiority. She doesn't like this at all. She tells me to look beyond myself. She says, "Can't you see? You are created to be greatly different, yet we are all the same." She told me I carry her heartbeat, much like her trees, the leaves, and even her bees. She asked me why I would deny such a love, why I would shield myself from receiving this most pure form of being. She asked me to be still, so I sit in her silence. Do you hear that? That is the beating heart of the entirety of existence. Look no further. You're exactly where you need to be. She asks again, "How do you feel?" To which I don't respond with words, but an outstanding knowing that the love that surrounds me now is eternal and a gift that she has given me. Before she leaves, I ask when she'll call again, and she tells me she always calls. It's just up to us to answer.